Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to use COUNTIF and SUMIF using cell color. So this is the data and we have multiple cell color and we are going to use COUNTIF and SUMIF using cell color. So how can we do that? For this we are going to use our old macro process, that is get.cell. So basically in name manager I'm going to use get.cell. So you need to click on this cell which is attached to my first cell A4. So new formula from color. So basically what get.cell will going to do, get.cell will extract a number from a color. So from that number we are going to use COUNTIF and SUMIFs. So get.cell. So 38 is the number to extract the number from the colors, comma, close the parentheses and enter. So now we are going to use the formula here, formula from color, enter. Now let's drag and drop. Now you can see every color has extracted a number. So this color has extracted number 2 and this color is 19 and this color is 6. So we can, now the third step is remove duplicates. So you may even use pivot table also. I'm going to use duplicate, control C, paste it here, control alt V, values. So I'm going to paste my values using paste special. Okay, now data, remove duplicates. Now it has 4 numbers. So now we can use countifs. So criteria range is this one, lock it, comma, criteria is this. Now drag and drop. So 2 denotes this color. So this color has 11 values and 19 is something orange. So it has 14 value and yellow has 2 values. So you may use SUMIF on this function also. SUMIFs. So sum range is this, lock it, comma, criteria range is this, lock it, comma, this one. So this is the sum. So this is the trick. So keep enjoying and keep learning.